Leifram, and this is my brother Torn, and he's going to get a drink. And that's my sister Sindel, and this is Freya. We're going to make a gingerbread train today. A gingerbread train today.
Yeah, I was wanting to make the gingerbread today. Whoa!
This is gingerbread stuff we're going to decorate. Don't we need these to be the wheels? Yeah, we do need those. You're right, Tori.
Yeah.
These are the decorations that are going to go on the train. This is the gingerbread. That's the gingerbread stuff. That's what we're going to decorate. That's what we're going to make.
And here's the powder. Here's the Santa.
The Santa.
And then the tire.
And these are the candies we're going to decorate it with.
Yeah. And eat the gingerbread.
At last, we're going to eat it. Let's do this thing!
Yeah.
First it was like this, and then it went, because I broke it. These are the front. These are the front things.
Yes. This is only the trains.
That's the plow thingy. These are the wheels. These are the big wheels.
This is
And
the
at the back. Frosting is like glue. So I'm going to glue the pieces together with this. Isn't that confusing?
That actually makes sense.
Why can't we use real glue? Because it wouldn't be so tasty. You have to face the design outside so you can see it.
It's good.
We did it! We made a ginger car. Now you gotta get the train assembled. Let's get the train assembled! It's good. It's finally good. Was that easy? It sure was easy.
It's a train.
Well, it's part of the train.
Now, only you need to add is the candy.
Leifram put that wheel on.
And now we need to add some small.
Now we need to add the small wheels. These are gumdrops, these are sprinkles, and these are mints.
Take them to the place.
Go for it. Alright. Gumdrop. Gumdrop. Gumdrop does not have any shiny bits.
Whoa.
I'll get it. I'm doing a pattern. Leaf, berry, leaf. We're doing a pattern too. Patterns is something it's a pattern. And these candies will repeat.
No.
These candies will repeat. Berry and now berry leaf. It's not leaf berry, it's berry leaf. There, that's one side. Whoa, that candy looks cool. My pattern? I don't have the pattern. I'm not doing them. I'm just doing them in a straight line. They don't repeat. You don't want to eat the part with the minty. Yep, you don't want to eat the minty stuff. Might actually be spicy stuff. Oh, gumdrop on the loose. Gumdrop on the loose.
Okay.
Oh, you did win.
Freya! Keep doing it, Freya! Keep doing it!
Why are you eating our materials? They're ingredients. Should we put these two in my mouth?
Huh? Ah.
Nom, nom, nom. I'll just eat this berry. Tori made a pattern. Leaf berry. And some of the decorations fell off, so now we're eating them.
We're undecorating after then we decorate.
Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm a gingerbread Santa. Thanks for watching this video.
Oh, wait!
If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. T-O-R-I-N. L-E-I-F-R-A-N.
It's for no.
Yum, gumdrops. Just click this red subscribe button up there to see more of our videos.